I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build Valerian in Etheria Restart. First, understand that Valerian is a top-tier SR support character in the game. She brings incredible utility to your team by equalizing HP, providing crucial healing, and applying beneficial buffs to your allies. We'll walk through her key skills, recommended modules, and optimal shells to maximize her potential. Let's dive into making your Valerian an unstoppable force on the battlefield. For Valerian's skills, your primary focus should be her third skill, Deep Sleep. Maxing this skill is crucial as it allows her to start battles with Hazy Dream, a powerful effect that equalizes ally HP and provides shields and buffs. After Deep Sleep, invest in her second skill, Bubble. This grants a target ally invincibility and applies a heal over time to your entire team, significantly boosting your team's survivability in tough encounters. When it comes to gearing Valerian, module choices are vital. In the early game, equip Wellspring modules to gain a significant 45% boost to her HP, enhancing her shield strength. For mid to late game, consider Bramble for defense and counterattack chances, or Swift Smite for speed and effect accuracy. For shells, Diamond Heart provides extra shields and defense, while Alicorn is excellent for dispelling debuffs and increasing resistance, making her even more resilient. For Valerian stats, prioritize high HP, defense, and resistance to ensure she can withstand damage and keep your team alive. While she doesn't always need to be the fastest, having decent speed can be beneficial for her to apply her crucial buffs early in a fight. She shines in sustained team compositions, providing consistent support and preventing one-shot scenarios. Pair her with damage dealers who can benefit from her shields and buffs for maximum effectiveness. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.